The pillars of a harmonious home. Interaction and kindness. Speak with kindness. We use I statements to express feelings and avoid name-calling or shouting. Practice active listening. When someone is speaking, we give them our full attention without interrupting. Help without being asked. If you see someone struggling with a task, offer a hand. The apology plus rule. When we hurt someone, we offer a sincere apology and ask, how can I make it better? Tech and boundaries. In a digital world, boundaries help protect family connections. Device-free zones. Keep mealtimes and bedrooms, after a certain hour, free of phones and tablets to encourage real conversation. Ask before borrowing. Always seek permission before taking something that belongs to a sibling or parent. Honesty over perfection. It is always better to tell the truth about a mistake than to hide it. Family constitution. Hold a family meeting. Gather everyone and ask, what kind of home do we want to have? Example, peaceful, fun, supportive. Identify 5 to 7 core rules. Too many rules are hard to remember. Stick to the essentials. Phrase rules positively. Instead of don't yell, try use a respectful voice. Model the behavior. Rules apply to everyone. If the rule is no phones at dinner, that includes the adults, too. A happy family is a team. A family stays strong when they support each other. Emotionally, practically, and without judgment. They respect each other. Each person's feelings, boundaries, and choices matter. They give space. Everyone gets room to chase their own goals and dreams. They celebrate individual achievements, because when one member succeeds, the whole family succeeds. They grow together, not by being the same, but by lifting each other up. A person's growth is not just personal, it lifts everything around them. When one individual grows, the family develops because every new skill, value, or achievement strengthens the whole home. A strong family creates a healthy society, where respect, support, and kindness become normal. A healthy society builds a strong country, wealthy not only in money but in unity, wisdom, and humanity. So it all begins with one person choosing to grow.